So in this first question, we have to find equation of an ellipse whose center is minus 2 comma 3 and whose semi-axes are 3 and 2 and major axis is parallel to x-axis. Semi-axis means the value of a and b. If you remember the standard equation, this equation is also not much different from the standard equation. The standard equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by v square is equal to 1. So here a and b are already given, but center of the ellipse is minus 2 comma 3. In case of this standard ellipse, center is 0 comma 0. So we can just simply shift the origin to minus 2 comma 3. So how do we do that? Instead of x, you write x minus minus 2. So x will become x plus 2 and similarly y will become y minus 3. So after making that modification, you will get the equation. So we have x plus 2 whole square by a square, and a is 3, so 9, plus y minus 3 whole square by b square is 4, is equal to 1. Now you can take LCM, cross multiply. So we will be having 4 times x plus 2 whole square plus 9 into y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 into 9, 36. So now just expand and simplify the terms. 4 into x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 9 into y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 36. Now you have 4x square plus 16x plus 16 plus 9y square, 9y square minus 54y plus 81 is equal to 36. So you simplify everything. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16x minus 5y minus 54y, sorry, minus 54y, and 16 plus 81 minus 36, that will be plus 61 is equal to, this is 61 is equal to 0. So let's see option C. Now the angle between tangents drawn from the point 1 comma 2 to the ellipse 3x square plus 2y square is equal to 5 is, let's start. So we have 3x square plus 2y square is equal to 5. The point P is 1 comma 2. So let's say we have any curve. This ellipse is just an example. From an external point, a pair of tangent is to be drawn. So that equation can be given by S1 is equal to T square. Now what is S? S is the equation of curve. S1 is a number. What is that number? If you substitute this point in this equation, whatever you get, that is S1. And T, as you already know, x square will become alpha x and y square will become beta y. If you have been following the previous lectures, then you will be knowing this. So let's start. S is 3x square plus 2y square minus 5 is equal to 0. This is your S. Now for S1, just substitute the point here. 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 2 square minus 5. That will be 6. So this is S1 is 6, and for T, just substitute just replace x square with x and y square with 2y. So you have 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. This is your t. Now let's do it. SS1 is equal to t square. So we have 6 into 3x square plus 2y square minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 5 whole square. Now what is going to happen? As we proceed, I will be having something into a square, sorry, something into x square plus something into y square plus something into xy plus something into x plus something into y plus a constant. This is equal to 0. From that, if I consider this part, it's called homogeneous part. So let's say this is a into x square plus b into y square plus 2hxy. So only this part is required to find the angle between the pair of lines or pair of tangents. So tan theta will be root over h square minus ab by a plus b modulus. For acute angle, tan theta should be positive. So let's start figuring out the terms. So if I send this 6 inside, I will be getting 6 into 3. So 18 x square and 6 into 2 plus 12 y square plus something. I know it is very much obvious minus 30, but that is of no use to us. So I am not bothered about the remaining terms. Now let's talk about the remaining terms. You will be having a plus b plus whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So 9x square plus 16y square. And then there will be one term in which we will be using 2 into 3x into 4y. So plus 24xy. Now there will be other terms also, but those other terms are not going to be helpful. So it is better not to write those terms. It will save your time. So after that, you shift everything to one side. So we have 18 minus 9, 9x square plus 12 minus 16 minus 4 y square. And this 24xy when brought to other side is minus 24 xy plus something. Now this is your A, minus 4 is B. And please remember this is your 2h. Okay, it is not h, it is 2 times h. And tan theta is root over h square minus ab. So if 2h is minus 24, h will be 122. So tan theta is root over 12 square. 12 square or minus 12 square both mean same. Minus 9 into minus 4 divided by 9 plus minus 4. So many students make this mistake. They ignore the minus sign. Please remember this. This minus sign, if you ignore it, it will give you minus 1 in the JEE exam. So tan theta is square root of 12 square 144 plus 36 by 9 minus 4 is 5. So root over 144 plus 36 is 180 by 5. Now 180 is 36 into 5. So we can take a 6 out. It is 6 root 5 by 5 or 6 by root 5. So tan theta will come out to be 6 by root 5. So those who know about inverse trigonometric function, they will be knowing the answer. For those who don't know, so let's say I have cos theta is equal to 1 by 9. Now, some of you who are wondering how come cos theta is 9, because we only know 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3, root 3 by 2 and 1. So cos theta can take any value from -1 to 1. It can take any value from -1 to 1. It's just we don't know the angle for which cos theta is 1 by 9. In such case, we just simply write theta is cos inverse 1 by 9. So what is this cos inverse 1 by 9? It is the angle for which cos theta will be 1 by 9. Let's say if I have sine theta is equal to 1 by 4. So theta will be sine inverse 1 by 4. And if you can link it, you will be having cos inverse 1 by 2. So cos inverse 1 by 2 is the angle for which cos theta is 1 by 2. So that will be 60 degree or pi by 3. So on the similar lines, if tan theta is 6 by root 5, so theta simply tan inverse 6 by root 5. So now let's see which option. Option B. Now eccentric angle of a point on the ellipse 3x square plus 3y square is equal to 6 at a distance 2 units from the center of ellipse. So eccentric angle. Now let's write the equation. Equation is x square plus 3y square is equal to 6. So to transform this equation into the standard form, you will have to divide this equation again by 6. Now divide this entire equation by 6. You will be getting x square by 6 plus 3y square by 6, that is y square by 2 is equal to 1. And if you compare this with the standard form, you will be getting a is equal to root 6 and b is equal to root 2. Now a is root 6 and b is root 2. So any parametric point on this ellipse is a cos theta, comma b sin theta. Okay, so that parametric point will be root 6 cos theta, comma root 2 sin theta. So, and theta is your eccentric angle. So now we can start. So we have distance from origin. So let's say this is your ellipse. There is any point P having P is root 6 cos theta, comma root 2 sin theta. And then you have center of the ellipse, that is origin, O. So OP is 2. So you can use the distance formula. So you will be having root 6 cos theta whole square will be 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta is equal to 2. And then if you square them, then 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta is equal to square of 2, that is 4. So this 6 cos square theta can be written as 4 cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta, and 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta will give you 2. So we have 4 cos square theta plus 2 is equal to 4, or 4 cos square theta is equal to 2, or cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos square theta is 1 by 2. So cos theta will be not 1 by root 2. Cos theta will be plus minus 1 by 2. Please remember, if x square is 4, then x is plus minus 2. Okay. So cos theta is plus minus 1 by root 2. So we know what are the angles for which cos theta is plus minus 1 by root 2. So in first quadrant, it is pi by 4. In second quadrant, pi minus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. In third quadrant, pi plus pi by 4, that is 5 pi by 4. And here it is either minus pi by 4 or 7 pi by 4. So let's see what are the options given. So option A, pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4. Next question, if the latest rectum of ellipse x square tan square alpha plus y square sec square alpha is 1 by 2, then alpha. All right, let's start. So the equation of ellipse is x square tan square alpha plus y square secant square alpha is equal to 1. So we know that tan is 1 by cot and sec is 1 by cos. So it can be rewritten as x square by cot square alpha plus y square by cos square alpha is equal to 1. Now, if you are wondering that which denominator is bigger, so please remember cot square alpha is greater than cos square alpha. How? So cot, if you know, cot is cos by sine. It doesn't look like sine. Cot is cos by sine, and we know that sine is less than 1, means sine, the range of sine is minus 1 to 1. So denominator being less than or equal to 1 means overall number will increase. So cot theta is less than or equal to cos theta. Okay. So we know for x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If a is greater than b, then length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. So here also length of lattice rectum will be 2 cos square alpha by a is cot alpha, and for length everything is taken positive. Now we know cot is cos by sine, so you have 2 cos square alpha by cos alpha by sine alpha. So cos square cos gone, this sine will go in the numerator. You have 2 cos alpha sine alpha is equal to 1 by 2 if I'm not wrong. So also we know 2 sine theta cos theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. So this is sine 2 alpha is 1 by 2. So for the angle for which sine theta is 1 by 2, so we can say 2 alpha is 630 degree or pi by 6. And mostly after 10th grade, we drop the degree notation and we use the angle in form of multiple of pi. So alpha will be pi by 12. That is one of the values. So let's see which option satisfies. So alpha, option A, pi by 12 is the correct option.